A gas is taken through the cycle ABCA as shown in the figure. What is the net work done by the gas? To determine the net work done by the gas in cycle ABCA, we analyze the area enclosed by the cycle on the PV diagram. The cycle is in the form of triangle on the PV diagram. The vertices of the triangle are points A, B and C. Since the PV diagram shows a pressure-volume relationship, the work done in a cycle is equal to area enclosed by the cycle. The area of the triangle is given by half into base into height. Here, the base is AC and the height is BC. So, upon substituting, we get work done W is equal to half into 7 minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 6 minus 2 into 10 to the power 5. Upon calculation, we get the work done as 10 into 10 square joules, which is nothing but 1000 joules. Thus, the answer is option A, 1000 joules.